Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to talk about 5 ways to master a standard. So we all know that feeling when we're learning a song, we kind of know it, we can kind of play the melody, we kind of know the chords, but it's not great. And if we have a good gig or an important show, we want to feel comfortable and we want to really feel free with that song. So I want to share with you guys a few of the things that I do when I'm trying to learn a song really well. I feel it's very important when we're learning a song to go deep. In that sense, instead of learning 200 songs, which is also cool, learning a song really well. So knowing the melody, knowing the chords, and really know all the elements within. And now I'm going to talk about the 5 elements that I think are really, really essential to dive into. All right, let's do it. 1. Rhythm. So a fun exercise that I love doing is just playing some hits on the song. For example, I'm going to use the song My Ideal in the key of E flat, and I'm going to right now play chords only on the end of 1. Now of course you can play it on 2 and different placements, and I definitely encourage, but I would start with the end of 1 and feeling really comfortable with it. I'm creating more content like this. I recently created a 5 jazz standard hacks. The video is linked below. If you like this, please subscribe, please like, comment, and share this video with someone that's trying to figure out jazz. What I love doing is like taking one hit, one specific hit, and really owning it. So I would just play the end of 1 for a week or 2, literally just practice very clearly and very cautiously with the chords on the end of 1. If you like the track I just used, I also have a Dropbox in the link below and you can use it. 2. In this exercise, I'm going to go back to the melody as an anchor point. So I'm going to solo and then go back to the melody, go back to the solo. And the melody kind of pulls me to the chords and the harmony in the song itself. So it's just like every couple of bars, I'm just going to jump back to the melody. 3. Other keys. So although the song might be in E flat and it's cool and a lot of people play it in E flat, we all know that we actually really need to hear the song. Except being able to play the melody accurately in the key we checked it out, we really need to hear it. And one of the strongest ways to do that is playing it in different keys and different areas. So the first thing I do with a song that I'm learning after learning the original key, I'll take it to C, take it to C major and try to really hear it. So I'll try to really tag the information and see the harmonic progression in terms of functions. The same thing with the melody. And what I'll do, except playing it in the key, I'll hang in a certain key for a while. So although maybe you can play it super well in F sharp and you can kind of make it happen, you want to really feel comfortable. So sometimes I'll take a song and play it for an hour in the key of B or the key of F sharp until I'm more comfortable with it. So right now what I'm going to do is just play this song in the key of C. Four, 2 lines. So although you might not feel that 100% comfortable with 1 line, I do suggest to jump into the water. Now, it just kind of tricks your mind, kind of opens up another way of thinking. And maybe you're feeling super uncomfortable with that, and I totally get it. I felt the same way. Just like The answer is just do it. Just try and mess around with it. By trying and hearing those two lines, we get very comfortable in hearing the changes and more accurately playing single lines. An important note for that is being very rhythmic with the second line, so it's very clearly placed. Five, no metronome and play simple lines, simple ideas that are locked clearly in time, where you manifest time with your lines. 5, play simple lines that articulate the time and changes. So I think a lot of times we try to do a lot, and I think a lot of times less is more. Easier said than done, but it's a very good practice to do less. Try to manifest the time and convey a strong feel and groove. Nothing crazy, just the pulse and some of the chords. You get it. Thanks so much for listening. I hope this was interesting and exciting. Please share this video with someone that is trying to learn a song and that might help her or him. I'll see you guys Thursday. Peace out.